Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of our baking and making series. So for today, gagawa lang tayo ng sobrang daling recipe and pang pang mga tao sa dorm or sa condo na lockdown doon, tapos wala silang oven. So for today, we're gonna make no-bake chocolate cake in a mug. So microwaveable chocolate cake siya. Okay? So yung need lang natin ay microwave oven. So for our ingredients, we have Jersey UHT Milk, we have all-purpose flour, we have vegetable oil, we have baking powder and salt, we have granulated sugar, we have Dutch cocoa powder, and we have our Houten Professional Butterscotch chips. We put our liquid ingredients together dito sa loob ng ating mug. So first is the vegetable oil. So ayan, simutin, sayang ang langis. Next, our Jersey UHT Milk. After nyan, lagay na natin lahat ng dry ingredients. So, we have our Dutch cocoa powder. Ay, lag-lag. Then, our granulated sugar. Sayang, may nalaglag pala. Tapos, our baking powder together with the salt. And our all-purpose flour. Since isang mug lang siya, hindi naman kailangan na whisk yung gagamitin. So, you can use your fork. So, mix. So, ayan. Tapos, mix mo na hanggang wala na siyang lumps. Kapag wala na siyang lumps, masyadong lumps, you can put it inside the microwave and microwave at high heat. High. I-high mo lang yung setting tapos for 90 seconds. After nun, it's done. Jeff lang, meron pa palang nakalimutan. So, you can add in your butterscotch chips. So, if you don't have butterscotch chips, pwede naman yung ibang chocolate. You can use Van Houten Professional chocolate chips or Calebo na 811 or 823. After nyan, you just microwave. Tandaan mo lang na kailangan mo tanggalin yung tinidor bago mo i-microwave. So, ayan. After 90 seconds, it's gonna look like this na. Medyo mukha pa siyang basa, pero ayoko kasi siya na super dry. So, gusto ko parang meron pa siyang konting puddle ng chocolate sa loob. So, parang siyang molten chocolate cake. So, after that, i-cool down mo na lang siya para malagyan mo ng ice cream sa ibabaw kung ayaw mong agad matunaw yung ice cream. But if you're gonna eat it immediately, just put your scoop of ice cream on top and then you add your added sprinkles. So, you just scoop out your ice cream. You can put vanilla or chocolate or this one is cookies and cream. So, ayan. I-scoop out mo lang. So, you put in your chocolate sauce. And then you put on your crushed nuts. Tapos if you want to add cereal or kung gusto mo maglagay ng waffles, tapos you just serve. You can serve it hot, you can serve it na medyo malamig na, pero make sure na you add ice cream on top para mas masarap. Okay? So after making your very own chocolate cake creation in a mug, you can now taste it. And you can ayan, serve it to everyone. So, tikman na natin siya. So, feeling ko masarap kasi pumunto ng chocolate. So, ayan. From ibabaw hanggang ilalim, siksik at liglig siya ng chocolate. Alamig. Masarap. Sa mga nagdo-dorm dyan, pwede na kayong gumawa ng sarili niyong chocolate cake na pang single serve lang. So, pwede nyo nang gawin at home. Just with the use of a microwave. So, ayan. Just eat.